It's really not that funny, baby. Where is your mommy? She's not in there.
Do you realize where she's been and what she's been up to?
Oh my goodness. Joshua. Esther, she's trying to climb in. Joshua, get her down now.
She's already been in there, Rebecca.
She has?
Yes, multiple times.
Are you just videotaping the whole thing?
No, she was.
Let me go get my mom. Mom?
Esther, what is wrong with you?